Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable DAC for your speaker SONY ULT FIELD 7. You have to start by open settings and then go to connected devices. Now click the settings icon near to your speaker at the device list. And right here you should have HD audio. I haven't it. If you have the same, we need to use an application. Firstly, open it and tap on your speaker. Scroll down and go to the settings. Now go to the sound. And right here we have Bluetooth connection quality. Tap on it and make sure that you have priority on sound quality. Let's swap it. Then click OK and OK. Now we can return to the settings and check if we have it. So, okay, we have connection, cool. Tap on it, and as you can see, we have HD audio. Also, firstly, make sure that your phone supports LDAC. You can check it in the developer option, and if you don't know how to check it, you can watch the video on our channel. And you will have Bluetooth audio codec. Just give me a second, I will show it to you. So, right here, as you can see, I have LDAC. Next, if you have iPhone, it's not possible to enable DAC. iOS devices doesn't support this codec. Only AC. This is a maximum. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!